Coming today on this occasion of launching of a new collection. Simran.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure and a privilege to have you all here this evening. This evening where we launch yet another first in the bouquet of the Rado watches. Rado is known to create watches using unique and different materials. Using these unique and different materials, we have created iconic designs, designs that have lasted forever. We have used materials such as this store is in partnership with Ethos. They are our partners, our franchisees in Mumbai. I would now request Mr. Rajendran from Ethos to come and say a few words.
I'll just request all of you to be a little. Are you guys settled right now? Yeah? Because it just makes more sense, yeah? Okay. Just settle down, just settle down.
Now, so ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Hrithik Roshan.
Simran, come. Okay, of Rado. Wait. Guys, please relax. Everybody needs to settle down. We can't start the event. Wait. Just hang on. Just everybody settle down.
You will get enough chances.
Sir, settle down, sir. आराम से. 2 minutes. Just
We will give an opportunity to everybody and as much time as you require. So please settle down.
Just settle down. Just settle down. Sir, we'll give you pictures. Just 2 minutes. Sir, 2 minutes. Please understand.
एक काम कर रहे हैं, आप सब यहाँ आ जाओ, मैं वहाँ जाऊँ।
Everybody clear. Wait. Okay, click. चलो. Okay, I'll now let them click.
आप सेंटर में आ जाइए।
Excuse me.
No. Okay, now I like to request Simran to give the watch 1 second. Watch के साथ picture. 2 minutes. Just give 2 minutes. पीछे होना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा पीछे होना पड़ेगा, अब बहुत हो गया, थोड़ा पीछे होना पड़ेगा, 2 मिनट, 2 मिनट। बैठ नहीं सकता।
ऋतिक सर ऋतिक सर
प्लीज यार, मिल जाएगा, 2 मिनट फिर कर लेंगे ना, फिर कर लेंगे।
Next lot, it's okay.
Everybody behind, everybody behind.
I would request you to please settle down. Everyone will get a picture like this. None of us will get anywhere.
And one free watch. Rado will give you one free watch. Why not? Why not?
Piyush, they want a solo.
Can okay.
Piyush, एक solo please करने दो.
सर एक बार इनको सोलो इनको लेना। थैंक यू गाइस, हो गया। बस हो गया अब सब पीछे मैम हो गया Green.
ऋतिक सर here.
Yeah.
ऋतिक सर here.
Okay, now that Hrithik has got his new watch.
Everybody behind.
Peacefully. I think
Now,
let
I ask
Hrithik
question.
talk a little, speak a little on his own next tempo.
Okay, for electronic media.
So now it's clear.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here and so enthusiastic for Rado and for me. Thank you. And the final picture is being taken by Our Lady in Green. Thank you very much.
Okay, now I will ask Hrithik few questions, and I think all of you would like to get some answers. So just settle down. Guys, just settle down for the TV cameras, please. I request all of you to settle down, please. Please settle down. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Just settle down. Please. Settle down. Okay. Okay. Now, I like to ask Hrithik to share his views about the new collection that we have launched today, which is the new chocolate brown ceramic watch collection from Rado. So Hrithik, your views on the new collection?
Yeah, first of all, I want to say that I'm very happy to be associated with Rado. It is an association that actually dates back to my childhood. I have said this, but I'll say it once more because I think it's a very true and a very sweet story. तो जब मैं छोटा था, I think when I was about 8 years old, I remember my father used to have a Rado watch, and I used to look at his wrist. But he, एकदम, tough wrist he had and a tough watch on it. So at that time, I remember thinking that when I grow up, I want to be as strong as him, and I would want a watch like this on my wrist, and I hope that it, looked as good and as manly as it looked on his wrist. So my wrist didn't grow like his wrist, unfortunately, but I did get to be the brand ambassador of the watch that I wanted to wear. So my story with Rado goes back a long way. It's been 5 years of an association, and I've enjoyed myself so much, not just because I love the watches, and I genuinely do love these watches. I have no desire and no need to look outside or away from Rado for any of my watch needs, because they really are the best watches that I have ever worn. So it makes my life very easy that I don't have to stand here and lie to all of you because I'm the endorser. So it's nice when you're endorsing something that you actually like and love. So very happy about that. And our 5 years of this association has led me to believe that I would like to be associated with them for the next 50 years. Till my son grows up and has that same desire of having that wrist and that watch. So happy to be here. Thank you very, very much. You have got the picture of the new watch. I want to say this it's got the shape. It's actually very similar to my favorite Rado watch, but now I have it in this color and tone, so I'm very, very happy. It's something very special about this watch is that the dial changes its color and tone with the passing of the light. So that is very interesting, which I have not yet explored, but tomorrow morning I will test it and I will let you know if it works. Huh?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, all right. So thank you, thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah, inspired by my favorite thing in the world, yeah. Inspired by the chocolate.
Okay, you're
chocolate and brown.
you're also doing some work where you travel back to time. You're talking about the next movie which is coming up.
Yes, Mohenjo-daro mein, I'm traveling back into time. And it's been a great journey, great experience. I really believe it's going to be one of my best films. I hope and pray that the audience also agrees with me whenever the film releases.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So now we'll like you to sign something which is about marking the date.
Sure.
Can I
sure.
get the marker? Ritik can sign this.
right there,
Yeah.
it's right
Yeah.
there.
Okay. Sure. Or just let me do it. And we also celebrate 2 years of anniversary of this store. Very good.
Sir, this side, sir. Sir, this side.
Yeah. And we also celebrate 2 years of anniversary of this store. So I like Ritik, Mr. Rajendran and Simran to cut a cake.
Oh yes, congratulations on that,
Yeah,
sir.
Mr. Rajendran.
Huge congratulations. And a lot of success to you for the future.
Yeah, yaar, ho gaya. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for coming over here. And that's the end of the event right now. So I'll request you all to move back. Yeah. Can we have the bodyguards, please? Yeah.
Move behind. Move behind. Okay. Come.
Okay, that's fine.
Madam,